Hello. So, practice naman ng cosine law. Cosine is, eto siya. Kita ko. Ito yung cosine. Bilang na ulit. Ito pala. C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Kapag capital letter, that is an angle. Kapag small letter, that is side. So, let's try this one. So, ano siya, diretsong given. Like, how do I say this? On the spot, hindi mo na i-derive yung given from a situation, hindi kaya na to. Try muna natin yung ganito. So, ano lang to, sinolve ko siya the same way yung sinolve ni ma'am nung online class. Okay. So, diretso yun natin. Ay, di ba siya pero madiretso? Anyways. Okay. Ayun. So, meron tayong given na 7 centimeters and yun yung A, side A. Side tong lahat ng to kasi small letter siya, tas big letter to kasi angle siya. Yung A, side A natin, it measures 7 centimeter. And then yung side B, it measures 9 centimeter. Yung side C, it measures 12 centimeter. So for this one, we're asked to look for C. So, kaya C to. Kapag sinabing A naman yung hanapin natin, magiging A squared equals B squared plus C squared. Kung ano yung natira, tapos 2B and C cosine A. Kung ano yung hinahanap, sila yung nasa dulo. Pero dahil C naman to, ang galing naman. Instead of C, we'll focus to C. C squared natin, isa lang C ito, 12 centimeters. So, 12 centimeters squared. A squared is 7 centimeters, so 7 centimeters squared plus B squared, 9 centimeters, 9 centimeters squared minus 2, 7 is A, and then B ulit, 9, so we multiply these, then cosine C. Wala tayong given na info, so as is muna siya. And then here, kukunin natin yung square ng mga ito, sides. So for 12 squared, that is 144. For B, 7 squared, that's 49. 9 squared, that's 81. Ayun. Tapos, dito, sa side na to, i-multiply muna natin tong 7 times 9. That is 63. And then, times negative 2, you'll have negative 126. Then, itong dalawang to, 49. So, 49 plus 81. 130. Now, itong tira dito, kawawan naman siya. I-transpose natin itong 130 na add mo na itong dalawa after square bago i-transpose. So that, kapag na-transpose na to, itong dalawa na lang may iwan. Ito pala. Since na-transpose siya, magiging negative siya. Okay? So, 144 minus 130 is equals to 14. Tapos, ito naman, kailangan natin ma-isolate yung cosine C para makuha natin yung angle. So, i-divide natin both sides by negative 126. Ito na pala. So, dinivide siya both sides dito sa right and sa left din. So, ito cancelled. Pero dito naman, magiging arc cosine na, may negative 1 na siya. Pagka nag-solve tayo, hindi na siya cosine lang. Tapos, ito, idudugtong mo. Ganito siya sa calculator. Shift, cos, and then fraction 14, 26, and then ayun. La, ba't iba yung answer? Ay, 126 pala. Sorry. 14, negative 126. Ayun, 96.37%. 9 naman yung katabi na 38 na. Next, ito. It's more situational. Like real life problem. Celine and Louise are driving around the triangular route. Four roads. And first road is 8 kilometers long, second road is 10 kilometers long. The angle formed between these two roads is 120. How long is the third road? So let's try to visualize. There's two roads. Itong first road is 8 kilometers and the other one is 10 kilometers. The angle between the two roads is 120. So that's 120 degrees. So we're looking for the how long is the third road. Since we have first and second, ito na lang kunin natin. Bilis. Okay, so ito palagi lang na. Masulat na. Then, ang hinahanap is yung side C. So ito, ginamitin ulit natin siya ng law of cosine kasi ay yung problem natin. Yung cosine law. It's all about cosine to. So, ayun. And ito yung formula, the required formula. And then, nag-substitute tayo since ito yung wala, magiging blank tong nandito. So, 8 kilometers as A, and then B is 10 kilometers, then squared siya, both. And then, copy yung 2, since constant siya, 8 and A, and then 10 times, ayun siya, yung B. Tapos, cosine, may given na tayong angle dito, so, siya yung angle for C. Since ito si side C, yung opposite niya, ayun yung angle niya, kaya siya angle C. Magulo ba? Later na lang. Saan ako? So, ayan. May cosine 121. Ay. One turn. Okay. Ito. Dito, 8 squared. Kita ba? I'm sorry. Hindi ko lang makikita. 8 squared is 64. Kaya siya 64. 10 squared is 100. So, ayan yan. Then, pag in-add mo, 164. Tapos, ito, 8 times 10, 80. 80 times 2, 8 plus 8, 16. Then, dagdagan ng 0, 160. So, ito, huwag yung itong pansinin. Baka magalang po dyan. Simply put cosine 120. So, negative 1 half. So, ito, matatanggal na yan. Pabalitan siya ng negative 1 half. And then, you'll multiply these. Negative 160 times 0. Negative 0.5. There. So, the answer is 80. So, 164 plus 80 kasi positive na to. The answer, 164 plus 80 is 244. So, dito, C squared siya. So, i-square root natin both sides para matanggal tong squared. So, dahil square root siya, makancel mo itong square nito. That's 244. Square root of 244 is 2 square root of 61, or in decimal, 15.62. So, this side measures 15.62 kilometers. Don't forget the magnitude. And for number 3 naman, Celine is designing a triangular garden in her backyard. She wants one side of the garden to be 8 meters, the second side to be 6 meters, and the angle between these two sides to be 60 degrees. She wants to know how long the third side of the triangle should be to complete the garden. So, imagine natin, sabi niya yung isang side, the first side is 8 meters, and then isang side is 6 meters. And the angle between the two sides, so it's this angle, is 60 degrees. So, how long is the third side? Ito yun. So, this one can be A, this one can be B, and this one is angle C, and this one is side C. Gets? And so, hinahanap dito is small letter C or yung side. So, same process sa previous problem. Ganun din natin siya isa-solve. Keep C squared as it is kasi wala namang given na side C. And then, substitute mo yung A into 8. And then, yung B into 6. And then, yung... Naririnig kaya ako? Hindi ako naririnig. And then, negative 2AB. Ito yun. Yung A is 8. And basta yun na yun, alam yun yun. Tapos yung cosine, 60 degrees. Tapos, ayan, 8 squared, 64. 6 squared, 36. Tapos, ayan, 8 times 6, 48. Kaya nga 48 to eh. Tapos, pag binlas mo yung 64 plus 36, that's 100. As is mo na itong mga cosine 60. Then, negative 2 times 48 is negative 96. Ngayon, solve na natin itong cosine 60. So, 1 half siya, or 0.5. So, solve mo na ito. Negative 96 times 0.5 is negative 48. So, 100 minus 48. So, 48 is equals to 52. And then, c squared is equals to 52. Para ma-cancel tong square, ay yung naman ako. Yung squared is square root natin both sides. So, cancel na to. 52 is 2 square root of 13 or 7.21111. Next problem. Ito. Veronica is planning to, ano to? Parang sulit na to. Parang sulit. Veronica is planning a drone flight. She wants the drone to fly from point A to point B, then to point C. The distance from point A is 12 kilometers. From A to C is 9 kilometers. And the angle at A between these two paths is 120 degrees. She wants to know the straight line distance from point B to C, so she can program the drone's return path. Wala kang area pang drawing, so i-imagine nyo na lang problem. So, mayroong given, ito, 12 kilometers, 9 kilometers, and 120. So, ito na yung mga yan. Kung ano yung unang binigay, ayun na lang yung A. Natamad na ako eh. Then, ang hinahanap is side C na naman. Puro side C ata yung hinahanap dito. Anyway. Oh my. Ayan. So, ayun. Sinubstitute ulit. Gusto baka dito products pa ulit-ulit na yun. 12 squared plus 9 squared. Ano, lalagay ko pa dito? Ayan, 144. 9 squared. 9 times 9, 81. So, 12 times 9, 108. Kasi 108 multiply nyo yun sa negative 2. Kasama lagi negative 2. Tapos, kapag nakuha mo yung answer dito, dun mo lang ito isi-solve. Cosine, ano to, 120. Negative 1 half. Kung ayaw mo na negative 1 half, edi negative 0.5. Tapos, ayan, isolve mo silang dalawa. And, negative 216 times 0.5. Ano ba yan? Negative 216 times negative 0.5. Ayan, 108. Tapos, in-add mo itong lahat. Positive na to kasi pareho negative yan. 1.4 plus 81 plus 188. Picture 3. Tapos, same lang din. Ulit-ulit na eh. 333. Oops. Ayan. 337 or 18.24. Since 8 yung katabi niya, 25 na. Ayun. Wait na, hanap ako ng angle. Ito, angle na itong number. So, Celine is standing at point A in triangular arc. The distance or AB is equals to 60 meters, AC is equals to 12 meters, and BC is equals to 10 meters. So, to visualize that, ito yung park. Triangle siya. And then, mag-unit. Tapos, nandito si Celine. Tapos, meron ditong B. Tapos, meron din ditong C. Ang sinabi dito, yung length ng A to B, 16. So, ito yun. Tapos, yung length ng A to C, 12. A to C, 12. Tapos, BC is 10 naman. She wants to know the angle. So, ito yung angle. So, ito, itong point na to, diba, C to? Sides. Ay! Magiging side A pala to. Tapos, ito, magiging, diba, dito. Since nandito yung angle B, kung ano yung katapat niya, magiging side B. So, since nandito yung angle A, kung anong katapat niyang line, magiging side A. Since nandito yung angle C, kung anong katapat niyang line, magiging side C. Same goes sa vice versa. Kung nandito yung side C, automatic side C to. So, ayaw sa gusto niya, side C siya. Ito naman, itong side B, yung katapat niyan is angle B. Opposite sila palagi. So, dito, ano nangyari dito? Ito. Itong formula yung gagawin. Wala, di kasha. Itong formula, tupi. Ito yung sinan sa MS Teams. Pero, ang hinanap is A. So, A yung gagamitin natin dito. Ito yung ginamit. Okay. Baka ito gamitin mo. Gawin natin itong A. Siyempre, kasi A nga. So, ayun. Nag-substitute lang ulit. Since, sabi natin, to A to 10 meters. So, ayun yun siya. Itong 12, 12 kasi B. Itong C is ito. 16. Kasi baka magkalito kapag kami ganito. Or ako lang nalito. Basta ganun. Tapos, ilagay mo siya dyan. 12 squared, 16 squared, tapos na. Tapos, ito, tinimes lang din yung dalawa. Tapos, ito yung answer. Tapos, itong answer na to, dudugtungan mo ng cosine. That's fraction 300 over 384. Ayan, 38.6. Ayan na yung angle. Ba't naka-meters to? Angle yung degrees dapat. Ganun lang. Try natin itong isa. Parameter serving a triangular plot of land. The sides measure A to B, 13 meters, A to C, 15 meters, B to C, 10 meters. She wants to know the angle at point C. So, alam niyo na yan. A to B, ito yon. Ba't naka-caps lock to? Side siya. Naliit lang siya dapat. And then, kita ba? Ay, huwag mo pala. So, etong A to B is 13 meters. Tapos, yung A to C, 15 meters. Yung B to C, 10 meters. So, again, asan ba yung angle A? Ito. E di, etong katapat niya, yung side A. Tapos, itong angle C, yung katapat niya ito. So, ito yung side C. So, ang angle B, katapat nito. So, ito. Side B yan. Ganito. Ayun. Ay, pagani. Kaya ganyan yung given. Kasi ganito. Tapos, same formula lang sa akin. Pero, C na. Hindi na siya A. C. Oops. Ayan. Hala. Ito na. Ganun lang. Then, log in. Wala din naman kita yung given. Basta, alam mo na yan. Plug in nyo lang. Tapos, eto. Pa-plus-plus mo yan pag nakuha mo yung square mo. Tapos, may minus, syempre, di yan plus lahat. Tapos, ito lang parenthesis ko. Tapos, ayan, 10 times 15, 150 times 2, 300. Tapos, ito, shift, cosine, and then, ay, fraction. Lagi nyo ba kita? Ano ba yan? 156 over 300. So, ayan, 58.666. E di 7 na lang. Ayun. Isa pa nga, parang hindi nyo naiintindihan eh. Celine is mapping a triangular garden. The sides measure AB. So, yan, AB. Kasi nga, A, tapos B. E di AB siya. Tapos, ayun yung 80 meters. AC, ito yun. Gawa ka pa na itong line. 20 meters daw. Tapos yung B to C, wala din nakita yung B. 22 meters. So, anong opposite ng A? Diba ito? Pwede ito yung side A. Ano opposite nitong angle B? Ito. So, ito yung angle B. Ito, opposite nito, ito. So, ito yung angle C. Puro ito. Tapos, ayan. Nilagay lang dito. Pinaganda. Tapos, same pa rin yung formula. Same ba? Di ba hinahanap? Angle at point B. Eh, di papalitan mo ng letter B. Ito. Sunod na pala ni ma'am. Basta ito yung formula niya. Lagyan naman natin. Ayan. Tapos, itong A, since ito na siya. Itong C, C, B, B, B. Kasi ni-square niya. Kita ba? 22 squared, 484. Check. 18 squared, 324. Check. 20 squared, 400. Check. 22 times 18, kasi ito yan. Ins ito. So, ito yung dalawa. 22 times 18. Ay! Times 18, 396 times 2, 796. So, ito na yun. Tapos, ang taas, kunin natin yung 24 minus 400. 408. Tapos, dinagdagan natin ng arc whole sign. 408 over 752. And 58.9999. Kaya, 59 na lang. And, ano pa ba ito? Last na to. Veronica is hala, 21 minutes na lang. Ayan, tignan nyo na lang, tapos aralin nyo mag-isa. Okay na yun.